Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add arrow in Microsoft Word document. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So after opening the Microsoft Word document, you will see different options on the upper side. So just click on insert options. So when you will click on insert options, you will see shape options. Click on it, and here you can see different shape. So just click on arrow shape. So when you will click on arrow shapes and drag your cursors, so here you can select the size of arrow. So after selecting the size, if you want to change the color, just click on shape fill options. So here you can change the color of arrow. So guys, in this way you can add arrow in Microsoft Word document. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.